flowers: kindness, respect, and care. These flowers grow only when the children in the school do things like saying please, thank you, sharing, listening, and helping. But oh dear, one day the flowers began to dream. The flower of kindness whispered. Some children are shouting and not taking turns. I feel sad. So, what can we do? Let's remember, don't use kind words. Don't wait for your turn. Don't shout or push. Kindness helps our magical flower feel happy. Next, the flower of respect. Said softly. Some children are not greeting their teachers or listening in class. Oh no, that makes the flower feel hurt. So let's try. You greet your teachers and friends. You listen carefully. Respect makes the flower feel valued. And then the flower of care whispered sadly. Some children are forgetting to help each other or pick up litter. We can make it better by do help a friend who falls, do keep your feet, don't ignore when someone needs help. Care makes our school a beautiful place. And guess what happened next? As the children began to follow these lovely habits, being kind, showing respect, and caring for others, the flowers stood tall again, blooming brighter than ever. The garden of good habits was full of joy and happiness. So dear students, let's grow these magical flowers every day with our actions, our words, and our smiles.